Okay, this video is going to cover what the gray bag is in the CS&AI for the A+. So you've seen these pieces in the science set and maybe even some of the other retail sets for maybe Minecraft that were brown or different black colors. So these are basic system bricks. They're 2/3 high with the axle part in the center, and it allows for a lot of opportunity to add this down onto a plate and add Technic pieces coming out of it. So there is that part right here. Again, I mentioned translucent pieces. This is a cylinder one that does the same thing. You can see the axle part in the top, except this one is a full size one modular. Here we have 4 of those, some wheel connectors, some convex sliders here, and these really awesome translucent leaves with the botanical parts and retail sets being out. Doing this in translucent will allow different variants of color to come through and some different experiments to happen as well. This piece, you may be wondering what this is. Now this one works with the new rack gear, or the rack element, and it slides. Let me see if I can get a good angle here. It slides through here, and I'll set up a conical gear in there later on to do some work with it. But the really cool feature is it works on the straight track and really well on the curved track. Look at that. Look how smooth that is. I know someone was doing some serious engineering to get that to move smoothly through that part. So another segment of things to look at and explore and experiment. I'll do other bags next. See you then.